Hi, it's Risa. Here's another meal option that has helped me lose 141 pounds. Healthy, high protein, delicious, nutritious, versatile, and it's the butter chicken recipe that I love to make. So, you need your chicken. I like chicken breast. You can use whatever. Here is some smoked paprika, onion powder, and some oregano, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Of course, you can use whatever spices you like and use as much chicken that you want depending on who you're making it for. I like to cut it in strips first and then I cut it across into chunks. You can use thighs if you want as well. It's up to you. And here they are, all in chunks. I'm going to add that to a bowl. And I like to cut them about the same size so then you cook it evenly. And here it is. Now I'm going to add my spices. So I love smoked paprika because of the flavor, and I love the orange color. It just looks good. And yes, I'm using my hands because it's just easier. I've cleaned them and I'm the only one eating this. You can use a glove. It's up to you. Now I added more paprika. It wasn't enough. Again, I don't measure. I measure with my heart so I can tell. Look how beautiful the color is. Now I'm going to add onion powder. Now I like onion powder. Probably about a tablespoon of, but again, if you don't like onion powder, don't add it. And some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want. I only use a little bit of garlic because it can be strong and overpowering. I always say less is more. Again, make sure that you mix it really well and add some oregano, a sprinkle or so. You can use Italian seasoning. And if you don't have it, it's fine. You don't have to use it. And just a little bit of some salt and pepper that I'm adding. We don't want too much salt. We don't want things that are high sodium so that we're not retaining too much water. So here it is. It looks beautiful, the color. Oh, and this is my little cheat, the KFI butter chicken. Why reinvent the wheel when you can find an amazing sauce like, oh, and there are my kittens, Whiskey and Dexy. They like to keep me company, but they were curious to see what I'm making. They're so cute. And I have a big skillet. And I'm going to spray it now with some avocado oil spray. You can use whatever spray or oil. You know, I always say that it's versatile. It depends on you. Okay, and now I didn't have enough, so I'm adding more spray. And Whiskey is still waiting. He is just the most adorable, cute cat that I have. Well, Dexy's cute too, of course. So now I'm just waiting for my skillet to get hot, and I always check it to see if it's bubbling, and just put your hand over it, not in it. We don't want to burn ourselves, right? So now I'm going to be adding just a few pieces at a time because I like to make sure that I get each piece cooked well and crispy. If you don't care, then you could dump the whole thing in, but I prefer it that way. That's how I make my chicken whenever I'm pan frying it. And, you know, you could also air fry it if you wanted to, but this is how I make it. And I didn't realize that I had made so much chicken, so I'm only going to be putting in half the amount of the chicken. So now I like to check it. You can see that it's a beautiful brown color. It honestly doesn't take very long to cook because it's in such small pieces. But just make sure, turn it over, look at it, and you can see it's golden brown and crispy, just the way I like it. And it's really, really, really delicious. I can't even tell you. Of course, don't taste it until it's cooked on both sides, my friends. Because it's very tempting when it looks this delicious already. But again, we don't want any kind of poisoning happening. I make this for different recipes. And you can just have it like this. Once it's cooked, you can have it in a stir fry, on your salads, on your veggies, on rice, if you eat pasta, cauliflower rice, broccoli rice. It's really, really good. So now you see I have that other bowl. I should have made 2 pans up, but I didn't realize. I thought I could fit it all into one. So if you're in a hurry and you have lots of chicken, use 2 pans, okay? And then it'll be a lot faster. So I'm just taking this amount out now, well, all of it, and placing it in another bowl. Make sure your pan, you can see it's still bubbling and hot, and there's still enough of the oil in there. I'm just spreading it around so that it's even. And now I'm adding that other bowl of chicken to cook up. I just love easy recipes. It just makes life so much easier and to stay on track. So now you can see I'm checking to see if this batch is the way I like it. Nice and crispy, nice color, brown, and if not, I turn it back over. So I like it a certain way. I'm very picky with the way I cook my chicken. So now it's cooked. I'm adding the rest of the other chicken, and this is the easy peasy part where I don't actually make a butter sauce. I buy that KFI, and it is super delicious. Why reinvent the wheel, my friends? Especially when you want to stay on track and you want things that are easy. If you're working, you have kids, you're busy taking care of other people. This just is a very quick and easy way to make it. You can marinate your chicken overnight, which is great as well. And I just turned it down so that it doesn't burn, of course. Look at how pretty that is. And I have to tell you, it is so good. So the KFI butter chicken. And I always check the nutritional information. I don't weigh or measure. I just go by my body's cues, but I do check sodium and fat content and sugar because I'm always watching my weight. And that's how I lost 141 pounds. So now I decided, since I had some zucchini in my fridge, I'm going to pan fry some zucchini. Sometimes I air fry it. But since I'm already making my chicken, I will make some grilled zucchini. Again, use whatever oil or spray you want. I like to make sure it's bubbling and hot because, again, I like it crispy. Yes, that's a pattern. I do like things brown and crispy. As much as you can with zucchini, of course. And you can use any vegetable. I always make sure I have veggies at lunch and dinner and as a snack. It's very high in fiber. They're satisfying. They help you with so many things, so many health benefits. And here they are. You can see nice and brown. and it's going to be so delicious with my butter chicken. My husband actually made some rice. I usually use cauliflower rice. I have my bowls ready, and I'm just going to have a couple tablespoons of rice. I don't always eat rice. It's a treat. I do love my rice though, and especially with this kind of a dish. So I'm just going to add some. I don't measure or weigh my food anymore. I did years ago, but I just listen to when I'm satisfied, not full. And I always pair my protein with a veggie. Okay, so you could have it with a salad, you could have a stir fry, but tonight it's grilled zucchini. You could use asparagus. You can use any veggies that you like. Like I said, it's versatile. All my recipes are versatile. But look at how good that is. That looks and tastes. So I hope you enjoy this easy